In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best small shop vac. So let's get started. Number 7. Vacmaster Professional Wet. This shop vac from Vacmaster comes with a 5-gallon holding tank and a 5.5 HP motor. The entire unit features solid construction that helps to make this vacuum durable. There is a cord mount on the backside of the unit to keep the cord neat while in storage. A tool kit comes with this wet/dry vac that includes a hose, filter retainer, foam filter, and 4 nozzles. You'll appreciate that the hose is nice and wide at 1 7/8 inches. This means it won't get clogged like other shop vacs with narrower hoses. The entire unit is also lightweight, which is important since it doesn't have wheels. Number 6. PorterCable 5-gallon. This shop vac comes on 4 castor wheels to help you move it around your home or garage. The tank has a 5-gallon capacity, while the motor has a peak of 4 horsepower. The outside of the canister is made of stainless steel. It also comes with a large toolkit that includes a 1-nozzle extender, specialty nozzles, and filter. What's really nice about this shop vac is that it has a 3-in-1 function. You can vacuum both dry or wet debris, or you can convert it into a blower. The 15-foot cleaning reach means you can go further and clean more before having to readjust. Number 5. Craftsman Heavy-Duty Shop Vac. Your messes are no match for this Craftsman shop vac. It has a 16-gallon tank and a 6.5 HP motor. This unit sits on 4 durable casters. It also comes with an extensive accessory pack that includes a dust collection bag, 7-foot locking hose, 3 nozzles, and a filter. If the 16-gallon tank isn't large enough, there's also a 20-gallon option. What makes this shop vac stand out is the 2.5-inch diameter tools. This gives you plenty of width for sucking up large debris. It also has a nicely sized and shaped handle on the top to make moving the unit around easy. When not in use, you can use the handle to keep the cord neatly organized. Number 4. Dewalt DXV06P. This 6-gallon shop vac from Dewalt comes in a bright sunny yellow. It also comes with a motor that's capable of 4 peak horsepower. There are 4 rubberized casters for smooth rolling and swiveling. The power cord is 10 feet long. It has a suction and blower function. The hose is 7 feet in length and 1 7/8 inches in diameter. There are several nice features that are included. There's a hose strap to help the hose stay neatly tucked away. The top handle doubles as a cord wrap to keep the cord contained. Number 3. Stanley Wet Dry Vacuum. The Stanley Wet Dry Vacuum is a multifunctional shop vac that can handle most messes. Featuring a 5-gallon drum that'll hold debris, dirt, liquids, and more, this shop vac delivers 4.0 horsepower to vacuum up both wet and dry messes. It's easy to use, just close the cover, connect the house, and plug it into a power source to get this vacuum running. It weighs 12.2 pounds, but a set of wheels on the base of this vacuum makes it easy to roll around as you clean. You can use it both indoors or outdoors. With over 15 feet of cleaning reach thanks to a 5-foot hose and 10-foot power cord, this shop vac offers flexibility and convenient, easy cleaning. It'll run for over 300 hours continuously, giving you a long life cycle. Number 2. Rigid Wet Dry Vacuums 1200. Front and rear mounted carrying handles make it easy to push or pull this model around, or lift with ease while transporting. A detachable head makes it uniquely different than other shop vacs, allowing it to be used as a handheld blower without having to deal with towing the entire unit behind as you work. Its ultra-durable 8-foot hose is designed to stand up to heavy-duty job sites and is less likely to crimp or dent. A rugged locking mechanism keeps the hose tightly in place while you pull it around, preventing it from accidentally slipping out during use. Number 1. Stanley Wet Vacuum SL18136. A variety of accessories makes this a good, versatile option. A wide and flat floor nozzle is suitable for use on carpeting, wood floors, or upholstery, as well as more rugged garage floors and job sites. Its 3 extension wands allow you to customize its length, and a crevice nozzle is handy for getting between car seats or couch cushions. All these features, combined with its compact, 17-inch height, makes this an especially versatile model. Plus, its 2 filters are reusable and can be washed by hand.